souls. I just thought I'd do you a quick video as I have now started. Hello creative souls. I just thought I'd do you a quick video as I have now started a Patreon page and I wanted to let you know all about it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Claire. I'm a mixed media artist and I've had my own art channel over on YouTube now for nearly 2 years where I've been sharing my art process. I love testing out new materials and sharing them with you. And I mainly do my art in my sketchbooks where you can just play and experiment and have fun. So I thought Patreon was the next step in my journey and I'd really love for you to join me. So if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that button. And also, if you want to come over and see me at Patreon, it's free to join and let's get creating. Over on my Patreon page, which is evolving slowly as I get to know my way around, I will be posting my YouTube videos on there. I'll also be posting my blogs on there. I have a list of the art materials I like to use and I'll be doing some extra behind the scenes content as well. I'm not quite sure what that's going to look like yet, but it will involve sketchbooks and wonderful art materials and maybe some nature journaling. I've got a lovely garden here which inspires me every day, and recently we had a nature pond put in. So there's lots of things that I can journal about and share it with you along the way. So for those of you that don't know me and maybe it's your first time here, this is me in my cosy attic studio. It's a rainy day and so I thought I'd do a quick demonstration of what I get up to in my sketchbooks. So it's quick, it's loose. This piece took me 10 minutes. It was inspired by an artist. I've got his book. I can't recall it off the top of my head, but I will leave his details in the description below. It's a brilliant book, mixed media book. And I'm just putting down the base layer. I'm literally squeezing the acrylic straight onto the page of my Ranger sketchbook and using a decorator's paintbrush, just sort of smushing the paint around on the page. And then once that dries, I go in with some tempera sticks and some Neo Colour 2s. At this stage, I don't have a plan. It was just to share with you the kind of art that I create in my sketchbooks. Here I'm applying some white gouache and I use my catalyst wedge to move it around the page because the paint that I put down was quite bright and so I just wanted to knock that brightness back a little bit. And I'm just taking a little bit of excess paint off with some kitchen towel and then waiting for that to dry before I layer over the top. I've just pulled off 3 of my sketchbooks from my shelf just to give you a very quick tour so you can see the kind of art that I produce. In my sketchbook, it is about play, it's about experimentation, and there's a naivety to my art in my sketchbooks. It's not serious at all. So my first one is the Sea Whites Journal. These are probably my favourite ones, and I think these ones will be great for nature journaling as well. And I do swatches in here, landscapes, stuff I found on the beach. So very, very quickly. I use ink, I use watercolour, I use gouache, I do landscapes, flora, fauna, whatever takes my fancy, you know, whatever there is to inspire me. These are more my Derwent Inktense pencils that I've swatched out there. Some of these sketches have literally taken 10 minutes. Some of them have taken longer. And many of these feature in my YouTube videos. These are done with jelly plates, which was great fun. So this is my Ranger sketchbook, and then the Pith Oro Blanco. There's more experimentation in here with Inktense blocks. What else? Pencils, acrylics and gouache. Those are acrylic markers, acrylic and gouache again, and inks. And just the art materials that I like to test out. A bit of abstract. Loose landscapes using some oil pastels, tempera sticks, soft pastels, pan pastels. There we go. So if you think you would enjoy that kind of art and getting creative with me, please head over to Patreon. Thank you for watching.